Hi everyone, it's Kona, and I'm just going to briefly talk about what we're going to be doing in week 2 for outside of class. So remember, the inside of class, just come to class and we'll talk about it in class, so nothing that you need to do for that. But for outside of class, you definitely need to start with viewing the week 2 information. So week 2 information, this video will soon go right here, but you really want to check out the study resources. In the study resources, I've got the 5-number summary and measures of variation notes. Those notes, which also have the videos that go along with it, are going to really help you a lot on the quiz for this week. So definitely make sure you take note of these notes and go through and watch these videos. We also have some readings for you to go through and do, so make sure you go through the textbook. It's only just a few pages. It's section 1.5 through 1.6. And then for the statistics notes, you're going to want to check out these things right here. So for assignments outside of class, we've got discussion 2, evaluation of information. So for this one, it's very important to evaluate the credibility of information and statistical claims, both for this course and in your everyday life. So what you're going to be doing is evaluating the source that you found or got for your individual claim from Project 1 Part 1. So in class, you're going to be finding a source with a claim, and that individual source that you find is going to be what you're kind of discussing. So first of all, though, what you're going to want to do is go through and review these 3 resources, and then use this information to evaluate the source that you got for your individual claim. Make sure to include the details and processes of what you looked at as found as part of your evaluation. Also, make sure to feel free, you can look up additional resources, but the biggest thing is don't just say, I think my source is credible. Don't just say that. So here, Easter egg, right there. You remember I talked about the Easter egg in class? So here's the Easter egg. Email me and let me know just how you liked these 3 sources and which one of these 3 resources you thought helped you the best. So moving along, what I want to make sure is that you don't just say, I think this source is credible. I want to make sure that you actually talk through the process of what you did to determine that your source was credible or not credible. So make sure you actually include that in your initial post. Then your follow-up, make sure to discuss what other students have written. So moving along back to week 2 information, you then have your chapter 1 quiz 3. And for that one, it's going to be on measures of center, measures of spread, measures of position, and make sure to review that from your textbook. But in all honesty, the important stuff too, in addition to that, are going to be the class notes and the video that go along with that. So I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you in class.